welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm very excited because I have my sister Bree here again with me today.
Hello.
And we have another craft fair idea for you. So as I mentioned in the beginning of my series, we are trying out some higher dollar items this year, and Bree has made 5 of my cardstock mini albums. I have a step-by-step tutorial for these, and I am absolutely in love with them. One of them here is the one I made, and she's made 5 brand new ones. So these could not be easier. You're going to absolutely love the ones that she made. I'm going to link the step-by-step tutorial at the end of this video. So Bree's going to show you one by one the albums and kind of how she added pockets and some different little unique touches that she added. So I hope that you enjoy. Okay, so sit back and relax, and Bree is going to flip through each of these albums. We might come back in to tell you a couple of different things of where she got stuff, but for the most part, we're going to set this to music, so we hope you enjoy. So this fall album that Bree made is so cute. You just wait till you see the paper. It was a Hot by Paper pad from Michaels this year. And the cover is this chipboard piece that she got, and it's our little secret. It's from the Target dollar spot, and it was like photo booth props, all for fall. They were all on a stick in a package, and she got like a million bazillion pieces. I don't know how many come in there, but all fall cute chipboard pieces for like a photo booth, but they came on a stick, and she just broke off the stick and used this for a cover. Isn't that so cute? Like, you could totally take that entire pack and make a bunch of albums. But anyways, we hope you enjoy this flip through. are, you guys. Not only did she show you here how you can make gorgeous mini albums with just cardstock and scrapbook paper, but Bree has really shown you here how you can utilize an entire paper pad. All the embellishments and the little tuck-ins are from the paper pad. So this is a true way that you can really make an entire project with one paper pad, and you don't even use near all the paper in the paper pad. So get out those collections that have cut apart sheets and have fun with them. You'll just need cardstock and scrapbook paper and a few embellishments. So when we sell these, we're not going to package them at all in anything, but when somebody buys them, we're going to wrap them very nice in a couple layers of tissue paper and put them in a really nice bag. Okay, so for the pricing on these, we are going to price these at $20 each. So we're just kind of feeling it out this year with some higher dollar items. So we're going to start out at $20 each. So Bree and I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more craft fair ideas, please give this video a thumbs up. We have so many more ideas that are coming to you. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, where I give sneak peeks and I announce when my videos are coming out. Here's my handle name, and I'll also link it below. Thank you again so much. We appreciate your support, and we hope you have a great week. See you in the next one. Bye!